Hello everyone and welcome to VizRT Tuesday Tutorials. My name is Richard Evans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'd like to show you how you can connect this, the TriCaster Flex Dual, to your TriCaster. This is the world's most powerful control panel ever and can be connected easily over the network via the power of NDI, giving you the largest toolbox ever for your productions. But first, we got to connect it. So let me show you how it's done, son. All right, so I have my TriCaster Flex Dual here on my desk, and I have my TriCaster 2 Elite interface up, and we're going to connect these two. So the first thing that you need to make sure of is you need to make sure that your TriCaster you want to connect this to is on the same network as your TriCaster Flex Dual. And then we just need to do a few simple steps to connect these two together. So the first thing you need to do is locate the shift button, which will be at the top of the Flex Dual here. And then also the utility button, which is this button on the top left of your top left numpad. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. I'll hold down shift and this just for a few seconds and let go. All right, and then when it does that, it goes into a connection state that you can see. So let's go ahead and zoom into this portion of the TriCaster Flex Dual. All right, so now you'll see you have different options here, like that. The first one is for connect, second one is for restore and for reboot. And what we need to do is hit connect here. All right, and then once we do that, this gives you another option to then go through and cycle between the different systems that are on your network. Okay, so all you have to do is click page up and page down to find the TriCaster that you want to connect to. So that's the name of the TriCaster that I have on my network, the ITP TC201. Let's go ahead and hit enter here on the green button. Cool. Excellent. So that looks like everything's connected. And now if we take a look at my interface over on the TriCaster 2 Elite and start pressing different buttons over here, you'll see that these are now connected. Boom. Simple as that. So this connects over your network via NDI, which is pretty dang awesome. And then you have all of these different buttons and functions to play with to control your show. And I have a bunch of tutorials up on the different operations of the TriCaster Flex Dual on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/VizRTofficial. So I highly recommend checking those out because you can do a lot with this thing. This control panel is super powerful, and I highly recommend it. So I hope that was helpful in helping you get your systems connected and play around with this. And, of course, you guys, have some fun. All right, there you have it. This is step one in controlling your TriCaster productions with the TriCaster Flex Dual. Now, for more tutorial videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the VizRT YouTube channel at youtube.com/VizRTofficial. And for formalized VizRT product training, sign up for Viz University, available at vizrt.com/community/viz-university. And you can find more information about VizRT products and services by contacting your local VizRT partner, or you can check out our website, vizrt.com. And if you are posting your work using VizRT products on social media, tag us using the hashtags VizRT or TriCaster. We love seeing all of your posts. Keep up the good work. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again real soon for another episode of VizRT Tuesday Tutorials.